George Watson was born 1767, died August 24, 1837, was a Scottish portrait painter and the first president of the Royal Scottish Academy. In 1808 he was associated with other painters in starting a Society of Artists, which, however, only lasted a few years. He exhibited frequently at the Royal Academy and the British Institution, and about 1815 was invited to London to paint a number of portraits, including those of the Dean of Canterbury and Benjamin West. In 1820, in spite of much opposition from the Royal Institution, the Scottish Academy was founded, and Watson, who had been president of the previous society, was elected to the same office in the new one, the ultimate success of which was largely due to his tact and ability. He continued as president until his death, the Academy receiving its royal charter a few months afterwards. It is said that he long maintained an honorable rivalry with Henry Raeburn, but, although his grasp of character was firm, his executive power considerable, and his work belonged to a fine convention, his portraiture lacks the qualities which give that of his fellow artist enduring interest. He is represented in the National Gallery of Scotland by portraits of two brother artists, Benjamin West and two of Archibald Skirving, and in the Scottish Portrait Gallery by a number of portraits, including one of himself, and one of William Smellie, which some consider his best piece of work.